What does the sensor tube do?
Sensor tube has two jobs. It tells you where the tripod was when you took the photo, and it also tells you which direction you're looking when you open up that photo.
How can I see the status of the battery and GPS location on the sensor tube?
If you want to see what the status of the sensor tube is, just tap the power button, and those lights will come on for another 3 seconds.
The sensor tube captures GPS and metadata at a scene, so you can build a comprehensive OSCR360 project. What is the overall value of OSCR360?
The most difficult thing you have to do when you're at a trial and you testify and you are trying to convince either a judge or a jury that what you're telling them is in fact true. OSCR is going to help you do that. And it does that in 3 ways. It helps you collect, organize, and present evidence.